Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. In case you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Damilola and you're welcome. In today's video, we are talking about how to use azelaic acid and retinol in the same routine. I know you might be wondering, why am I even using both? Oh well, azelaic acid and retinol are like power couple. If both are used together, they help to fight hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and even acne. Both complement each other so well. So for this routine, anytime I have to use both, I start very simple. So I'm using a simple face wash because the only thing it does is just to cleanse the face. No actives, no nothing. After that, I like to go in with my snail mucin and peptide. That will strengthen my skin barrier because, like I said, both are, like strong ingredients. Azelaic acid is a mild exfoliant, and we all know about retinol. Okay, so I like to start very simple. So because as a lot of people would use the retinol first before the azelaic acid, but because my azelaic acid is in form of a serum, if both were in form of cream, I would have used my retinol first. I don't know why, but that's what most people do. Okay, so because my azelaic acid is in form of a serum, I used it first. I allowed that to settle into my skin. And one thing that is very important is before you use your azelaic acid and retinol, make sure your face is dry. Unlike other serums that you have to apply on dry skin, these are exfoliants, so you make sure that after whatever you are doing before the azelaic acid, you make sure it dries down completely before you go in with your azelaic acid. So I use my azelaic acid first, after that my retinol. Another thing I'll say is for both, make sure you start small. That way, the percentages, that way you are building up strength for your skin. So I use my azelaic acid, I go in with my retinol, then my moisturizer, and that is it, guys. Very simple. If you have learned anything from this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, like my video, comment, and if you can, please share. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Mwah.